There's a cave in southwest Sardinia you can only reach by train, literally. This is the San Giovanni Mine near Iglesias. For over a century, it was a working lead and zinc mine. The miners' tools and the ore itself are still on display at the entrance. To reach the cave, you don't walk, you ride. A small mining train takes you 700 meters through the old tunnels, the same track the miners used to bring the ore out. From there, it's a lift, then a spiral staircase down. Wear closed shoes, it's mandatory, and bring a layer because it's a steady 16 to 18 degrees inside, whatever the season. And then the cave opens up, one single chamber, 25 meters high, every surface covered in formations that took thousands of years to grow. Stalactites hang from the ceiling, stalagmites rise to meet them, and everywhere this frosted coral-like crystal called aragonite that gives the whole place its texture. The cave is named after Santa Barbara, patron saint of miners. There's still a small shrine to her tucked into the rock, right where they would have passed every day, and right at the far end, a pool of mineral water in this impossible turquoise. Genuinely one of the most beautiful things I've filmed in Sardinia. Tickets are online only through the Iglesias Turismo website, about €15 for adults, 12 for kids and over 65s, and the guided tour sells out fast, so book a few days ahead. I've put the link below along with parking and the train timetable to Iglesias.